Daffodils, scientifically known as narcissus, belong to the Amaryllidaceae family and are native to Europe and North America. Known for their trumpet-shaped corona, surrounded by 6 petals, daffodils come in a variety of colors, including shades of yellow, white, and orange. Typically blooming in early spring, daffodils symbolize renewal and new beginnings. Their vibrant colors and unique structures make them a favorite among gardeners and flower enthusiasts alike. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, daffodils play a crucial role in ecosystems, as pollinators rely on them for nectar and pollen. Despite their delicate appearance, daffodils are remarkably resilient, able to thrive in a wide variety of climates and soil conditions. To propagate, daffodils produce underground bulbs, which can be divided and replanted, creating new blooms. This spring, stop and smell the daffodils and don't forget to get out there and see what you can see.